Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's been very long that I'm sitting like this and talking to you, and welcome to the haul series. And without any further ado, let's get started. I'll start with the makeup. The first product that I have is use foundations. So I use concealer. First one is Pro Concealer from LA Girl, and the second one is it's almost done. You can see it's Maybelline. So Maybelline shade is 40 caramel, and LA Girl shade is medium beige. Next product is our finishing loose powder, that is HT. This one. This shade is 11 light for fair complexion with a neutral undertone. So this goes really fine for me. So yeah, for regular basis I'll be using this Fit Me Maybelline natural buff. So this exactly my tone. This is next. We have the concealer and blush. This is from Sugar. This is a Sugar palette. So I have one sort concealer and blush and highlighter, and also I have a color corrector because I really, as I said, I really have a dark under eye. So this is from Insight. I have a color corrector, that's this, and I have a highlighter from Maybelline. Maybelline is my go-to, and as I said, it's a basic. I don't maintain much. First thing is Nykaa. This is a very basic palette, but you have a very good colors in this palette, which is this. So this is a Nykaa palette. You have from undertones to pink. So yes, for basic like me beginners, this is very good palette for you. Next is from NK Makeup. This is little bit green shades that we have, green to yellow shades. That's this. So yes, from Maybelline Nude eyeshadow palette, I have two palettes. One is blush shade and another one is undertone shade. So first one, I'll show you the blush shade. This is the blush shade, and this has beautiful nudes. And if you are like office going or college going, if you want to wear makeup, then I think this is for you. And we have, actually I used it a lot, if you can see, because this has blacks and browns. Cute eyeshadow palette. If you're basic like me, this too is sufficient, more than sufficient. Next I have Nykaa lip palette, which is this, and we have beautiful pinks and reds. And I'm more fond of lipsticks. I use in regular basis, I use more lipsticks. So this is full of lipsticks, but I'll show you few in that. Before going to lipsticks, this is eyelash curler, and I use sponge. I have brushes, but this is more convenient if you're using concealer, only concealer like me. Kajal, and this is eyebrow pencil which I use. This is a brown shade. I don't go for a black, but I go for a brown because I don't want to show that it's like obvious you draw a line. No. So for natural look, I go for a brown. And I have so many kajals because I really love kajal. I use it on daily basis. And my comfort zone, I tried so many liners, but this liner is absolutely good, and this is Lakme Absolute eyeliner. So you can draw defined shape with this. This has a long cap which actually supports you to draw a line, and it has a fine tip. As you can see, it has a fine tip. So coming to the lipsticks, the first lipstick that I want to show is from Maybelline range. The shade is the creamy burgundy blush 696 shade. This is my absolute favorite shade, that is this. And my tone is lightly undertone. So for me, I always use a bright lipsticks because the light lipstick shows that paleness. So yes, this one. The from Nykaa, I have shade 18. This is a new lipstick again. Basically, I don't alone use this lipstick, but I layer it up with some other lipstick because this looks very pale on my lips. So that's this. And next we have Renee Berry Blaze, my current lipstick that it's on my lips. The shade is fabulous. I really like this shade. So I always use the darker tone. The next one is the nude, the perfect nude for me. Absolutely, I love it. I already used so many lipsticks from this. Is Nykaa Tulip Trill 12M is the shade, and you can see I almost use this. This is my, I think, 13th or 14th lipstick. So yes, this is my favorite. A little bit lighter shade which is from Maybelline New York. The shade is more mauve. This like purplish shade, purplish pink. Again, I don't use this alone. I layer it up. And from Lakme Absolute, we have Nude Rose. Perfect nude, perfect nude. If I want to wear something on my daily basis, then I'll go with this shade. So the next shade is from Lakme, which is again Burgundy Boss. So yes, this is sort of a matte. This is not glossy, but this is a matte shade that we have. So yes. And one more Maybelline Divine Wine. The shade is Divine Wine. So mostly I have Burgundy. Next is my favorite skincare products that I'm using on my face. I have came through a lot of skincare products. I researched, I have seen few which are flop and which are hit, but I am thoroughly enjoying this process. So before you start your skincare, first meet your dermat or make sure what is your skin type. So there are three skin types. One is oily, dry and combination skin. Mine is combination skin. So what is combination skin? For example, my face, my T-zone is dry. Like this part is extremely dry, which breaks a lot. Like my breakouts happen, most of area is this. So according to that, I use my skincare. My current moisturizer is Olay Double Protection. This is sort of primer, I can say. It's a Rene Bollywood filter. And this is this sort of a texture. Basically, what it does is, this is not for the daily base purpose. Uh, it's just like before makeup. Times this comes in handy. This just blurs out your fine lines, your pores, or like that, you know. So it's just a blurring effect cream, which we don't use it on the daily basis. So next is my OG moisturizer. This cream, that's what it says, like Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizer. This does the exact job. So this is my vitamin C from, this is where vitamin C minimal, which has 10% vitamin C. And the next product is retinol. This is 2% of retinol. So again, it's an anti-aging cream. And if you're trying to use retinol, first do a patch test and then use the retinol, because retinol is an active ingredient which might be suits your skin or not. So do a patch test, and if it suits you, a teeny tiny size is enough for your whole face. Don't overdo. Next is sunscreens. I love sunscreens. Before coming, like, before using all these products, I have been using sunscreen from, like, since years, because sunscreen is very, 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 very important while you're going out. Even if you're in house, please try to apply sunscreen, at least moisturizer and sunscreen, because sunscreen is that important to your face. Applying how many anti-aging creams will not help you if you don't use your sunscreen. So please use your sunscreen. And my first sunscreen and my OG sunscreen is Neutrogena, the sunblock. So this is SPF 50 plus. This is water and sweat resistant, and also it has no white cast, which is the best in this. Next, though, my travel purpose. Actually, I have travel ke liye, and also I have for my daily use. This is for my travel purpose. This is a Dermaco range. This is SPF 60 plus. Yes, this is SPF 60 plus, and this is a bar type. You just apply it directly, but I don't suggest for the people who wears makeup. This is not necessary, but as I said, I am like currently obsessed with the Korean brands, Korean skincare. So I'm trying Korean skincare since few months. So yes, in that, of course, I wanted to try this from long, long, long time. That is Innisfree sunscreen. This SPF 50. This is bit expensive comparatively. This both. This is 700 range. This is 1000 rupees, and this is little bit expensive. This is 1400 rupees. If and also this has a white cast. I'll just remind you that if you're okay with it, then buy it. Um, this one I combined with this both. Olay, these both. I just combine these both and I apply it, so that I don't want to. I don't want a white cast on my face, so I just combine those both and I'm applying it. It's just working fine for me. Last but not the least in moisturizers, this is Laneige sleeping mask, face sleeping mask, Laneige. If you are going with this, don't buy a full size bottle because you can't complete the full size bottle at all, like at all. So don't do that mistake, guys. Just go for a mini size. But coming to this product is absolutely a dream because this works amazing. This improves your skin moisturizing, and it improves your skin tone, that the juiciness of your face, especially the people who wants to wear makeup. This really does a job. Apply it, lather it on your face and sleep at night. In the morning, your face looks plump, your face looks juicy and stuff. This is absolutely great, but don't buy the full size because this you can't complete it in a short term, because a little bit of product is much more. So just go for a mini versions, complete it, and then go for the other different variants in this. You can try them, but don't buy the full size. This is absolutely, I love this product. I love this product. Again, this is on the expensive side, guys. But I don't want to buy, I want something alternative for this. Then I suggest you this. This is completely alternative. The same texture, the same thing, but this is sort of a luxury. You feel lux on your face. This is also same, but little bit a lower side. So yes. Next, come to the lip range. First and foremost, as I said, I used a lot of lipsticks. So for my lip barrier, I don't use lipstick directly on my lips because of, I don't know, I don't like lipsticks directly. So for that, I just want one lip balm. For that, I am using this Nivea, and also this has SPF. So yes, this one. And one more thing, why I don't use this on the daily basis for the lip balm purpose, because this leaves a white cast, maybe because of SPF, so that looks pale on my lips. So I use this as a barrier for my lips, and this works absolutely fine. And my OG lip balm, my comfort lip balm. Yes, I have fancy lip balms and everything, but if I want something like soothing and comforting and everything, then I go with this Himalaya lip balm. If you remember this. Yes, this is a childhood lip balm, right? Even today I use this lip balm, guys. I really, really love this lip balm. This does exact job what all luxury lip balms, current lip balms are doing. So if you are really interested and if you really wanted to repair your lips at night, just apply this, like lather this on your lips and then sleep. Morning, the plumpy lips, the moisture lips, your chap lips are gone. So yes. Next, again, Laneige Lip Glow Balm. This is a berry range. Again, this is a very cute lip balm. Daily purpose. This lasts for 3 to 4 hours after you apply, but you have to reapply it every 3 hours to 4 hours to maintain that supple lips. But you can see the difference. You don't see a chapped lips after using this, because this has the perfect consistency. And of course, I have my lip mask from Laneige Berry range. Again, I bought the full size. I again don't suggest the masks, especially the masks. Please don't buy the full range. Uh, so this is my Laneige sleep mask, lip sleep mask. I think the video has come to the end. I think you guys love this video, and most of my videos are in Telugu, but this video I have done in English because I have got so many requests saying please do this video in English but not in Telugu, because other language people are also watching these videos. But guys, you're watching but you're not subscribing, so please do subscribe. That is a big encouragement for me, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.